Now in today's video, I'm going to be going over the 10 classiest fall 2024 color nail trends. These are some really gorgeous, beautiful color tones for everyone. I think I have everyone covered here, and I loved seeing all these colors as top color trends for fall. Let's dive right in. First up is the classic red. Classy red nails are a huge fall 2024 fashion trend. These trends are pulled from a lot of what was happening on the runway for fall and winter collection. And because most of these designers had these colors, of course, they're gonna make their way into the trending market, and I pulled the classiest ones for us. So our classy red is trending. Now the thing with red is we all have different shades that fit our skin tone, how we like our nails to look, and what looks better when we put on the color. There are different shades of red, multiple shades of reds that you can choose from. For me, I personally like a red that has a little orange undertone going through it. I love how it blends beautiful with my skin tone. It just works well. I don't do like deep wine reds. They just don't look good on my skin tone. And so think about the red that works for you. I will create another video talking about different types of ways to get our nails done this fall using these same colors. So make sure you subscribe for that. So our classic reds, the reds are trending. I know a lot of women who only will paint their nails red, and it's trending, it's happening. And it's so beautiful to see how sticking true to your taste and style is so important, because that's all that matters at the end of the day. So classic reds, pick your shade of red, pop on your reds this fall. We're gonna be redding our way through the streets of fall. The next color trend that I absolutely was just blown away by, I thought it looked so beautiful and pretty, even though it's not a color that would match me or my skin tone, is the clay mauve. So think about mauve mixed with clay to create a color, that really pretty, subtle, dark mauve, but not too dark. I think it's so gorgeous and beautiful. It's a pretty color that you can wear this fall. It's trending, and I love that this wasn't a color that I would absolutely be like, oh, this is like, you know, a fall color we should pull. But now that you look at it, you know, we'll usually look at or more of our purples and or violets or so as fall colors, but or standard mauve. But this clay mauve, which is the mauve mixed with kind of like grayish tone, looks so well. If you are of a lighter skin tone, I think this would look so nice on you, because you have that little bit of an undertone darkness to contrast your lighter skin tone, and it will look so profound and beautiful on your fingers. So I think it's something worth a try. For me, it's not a color that would match me. I think it would wash out in a sense in my skin tone, and I like for my colors to pop. Like in this video, I'm wearing like almost like it's not a baby blue, it's a gray blue. And I love it so much because the blue was just bright enough and the gray toned it down. For me with the mauve is a little bit too dull and the gray is too dull. I need something bright for my skin tone as to how I love my nails to look. I need my nails to still show in a very subtle way. And so the clay mauve wouldn't work for me, but it would work for a lot of you who are of lighter skin tone. The next fall 2024 nail color trend that I think is just absolutely fabulous, so here for it, fabulous, gorgeous, is the espresso color nails. This has been a huge trend this year so far, absolutely, but I love that it's making its way into fall, because we think of our hot chocolate, hot cocoa, or coffees and all of that. That's what we think about fall. It's time for our espressos, you know? So the cool thing about this color variation too, as a fall trend, is that the espresso color can come in different shades of espresso browns, you know? It could be a little bit on the lighter side, it could be in between, it could be on a darker, deep, like, you know, the richest espresso that you just brew from your machine, and it looks like that in the cup, and you're like, oh, it smells good. Okay, I think I'm moving out of nails into coffee now. I'm a coffee girl. So your espresso nails, I think it's one of those ones that we can have so much fun with, so much fun to, you know, style and pick out colors. And in the description down below, I will be linking different nail polish brands and colors based on these colors, if you like getting your nails done at home or if you like bringing your nail polish to the shop. I know a lot of people don't like toxins nail polish or so on and prefer to bring their own. So I will link some in the description down below for you guys. Or if you're looking for that color, that specific color that I'm talking about, I'll link a couple examples in the description down below. So think about it, your espresso nails, different variations of espresso are trending and happening this fall. Moving on, another color, fall 2024 nail color trend is your burnt orange. No surprise, burnt orange is such a huge traditional classic fall color, and it is absolutely happening as a fall color nail trend. I love burnt orange, and I also like picking my right shade of burnt orange. I don't know if it's coming across, but I am a picky nail polish girl. My nail girl that does my nails, usually when they get new nudes, because she knows I don't do crazy bright colors, and she just knows the colors I'm into, she'll send me like new colors in, and I'm like, yes. Or sometimes she'll actually be like, try this, and I'm like, absolutely not. So burnt orange, the right shade of burnt orange. I don't think there needs to be like a fuss about the burnt orange color. I think it goes well across the board, but for me, I like a slightly bright burnt orange. There is like a duller one that is just not for me, and then there's a bright one not for me. I like the in-between. So think about it, burnt orange is a color. It was on the runways. Different fashion houses had them on their runways, and so it makes its way over into mainstream, and I'm absolutely here for it. The next nail color trend for fall 2024 is your glossy and satin black nails. Ooh, I feel like the nail color trends that are happening this fall are just so beautiful and classy, because we have seen some of the crazy colors that are just like but our glossy and satin black nails are huge this fall. And lots of girlies like their black nails traditional, kind of like you either like your red nails, you like your black nails. There's a group of people who are like red nails, black nails. And if you're into your black nails, I like black nails, but I usually lean for black nails in the winter time. Winter time is when I go for black nails. And so just to know that it's trending this fall, it's giving me that inkling to like push myself a little bit to wear black nails for fall. Now, like I said, I'll be doing another like nail styling video, because I know you guys like the nail videos. You guys seem to watch those videos a lot, and I love nails. And I also just don't do my hands. My toes are always, they're always done too. This is how I do my nails. I do my toes once per month, and then I do my nails every 2 weeks consistently. Since I was 17. I love my nails being done. It just makes me feel so put together. But yes, so your glossy and satin black nails, if you don't quite like them too glossy, I love them glossy. I think it's so much more classier than the satin. Dare I say so? The satin-like black nails is gonna look so beautiful and gorgeous. And what I would recommend for the satin black nails is to probably do like press-ons, see how you like it. Simply because for the nail shop to do like a satin nails, it's gonna cost a lot. And we are in hard times, okay? We're in a recession. I literally had my French nail done. Usually I think my nails are like $35 or $40. I think it's $40 for my gel mani. And I went and I was like, you know what? I want all light pink French nails. And he did them. My girl was out, so he did them. And he was like $50. And I almost ran out of there and not pay, okay? I would have been on the news, y'all, not paying for my nails. I was like, $50. I was like, why did I switch my game up? I'm a solid nail girl. Now and again, I'll get a little one design. I'm a solid nail girly. And lo and behold, I went and switched it up and $50. I was like, here's the card. So think about like, you know, your press-on nails too as options. It's not just about going out and get your nails done. I know since the pandemic, a lot of people get their nails done or do their nails themselves at home. I can absolutely do my nails at home. I'm really good at doing my nails. I've always can do it. But it's a form of relaxation and self-care for me to go to the shop, so I find myself going to the shop 9 times out of 10. But glossy black satin nails, huge trend, fall 2024. Moving on, I am so excited to see this as a nail trend, and this might be the color outside of my normal, usual nude toned down color that I would probably try first this fall. Navy nails. Navy nails are trending, you guys. Navy nails, I think classic. Navy is such an all year round color. Navy is such a classic color. Navy is a classy color. and I'm here for it. A few of the fashion houses had navy nails on their runways. They painted the girls navy nails, press-ons, and so I was like, beautiful, gorgeous, love the navy nails for us girly. I think like navy nails fit all skin tones across the board, and it's one of those colors that I really feel that we can style up and match with any outfit or any color, outfit style or print in our outfits, because it's a classic color. Navy is a classic and classic color, and I say we just go for it this fall. So that's the first color I feel like I will be trying during the fall. When fall rolls around and I go and I'm like, it's time for fall, I think I'm gonna be going navy first. So I'm super excited to see navy as a fall 2024 nail color trend, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with the navy yet. Maybe I'll do solid navy, maybe I'll do one French or a little design. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see. Hi everyone, I'm Kima. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My channel focuses on classy fashion and elevated lifestyle. If that is you or something that interests you, I would absolutely love to have you here. So do please subscribe to my channel. Number 8, stick with me here. We're almost through the other fall 2024 nail color trend that is absolutely gorgeous, perfect, and it's not a new one. It's gold. Gold is gold is gold. We are coming off the Olympics and gold medals, gold here, gold there. Not necessarily that, I just wanted to plug that in, but gold is such a beautiful color all year round, and I find that I do gold more during the holidays, simply because it's the holidays where like, oh, where's the glitz and the glam and the holiday parties and the dress up. I love that it's a color this fall that's inching its way closer and not waiting for like the holiday season to, you know, dress up our nails. And with the gold, there's so many different variations of things you could do with gold. Gold tips, full gold nails, matte gold nails, so many different variations that you can do. Press-ons, even like little paste on gold details. Don't feel like you have to just go all out with it. It could be just little details that you add to like even like a clean cut manicure. So gold nails are trending and I think they're beautiful. Designers had them on their runways too for their models, and looks great against clothing, and I think they're just going to be fabulous this fall. And the next trend that I think is just so great for fall 2024, this is not quite a color, it's the only one that's not quite a color trend in this video, but it's your embellished nails, particularly 3D white florals and like stone detailing as an embellishment, like 3D feel embellishment. What I would do with that as a classy girl, I wouldn't want all 10 of my nails. I would probably have one as a detail or two. And in the wedding space, the nail trend wedding space, the 3D florals are a huge trend. 3D white florals on your nails is a huge wedding trend. So if you're getting married this fall and you lean towards trendy nails, I would not recommend it for any girl getting married. I think you should just keep your nails, especially in a classy space. I think classic nails, because if you only plan on getting married once, those photos will live on forever, and you want in 20-30 years your nails still look timeless and classy. So a clean beige, white, nude, pink undertone nails, you know, naked vibe nails, I think it's just so perfect for getting married without a design. Your ring is gonna say it all. It doesn't matter what size the ring is, it's just the love that's in it that will give that embellishment to your fingers. But however, the white rose embellishment or floral embellishment are trending in the wedding space and also in the fashion space, so we can have fun with it. We can have fun with it. We're going to events, we're going to a wedding as a guest. It's a great option to add to our nails, or if you just want to zhuzh up and feel a little bit, you know, spunky and creative this fall, you could do your floral nail 3D or stone vibe. I liked seeing those. I thought those were cute and spunky, and it's also a personality thing. So if you love your classy dressing but you like a little oomph on your nails, this is the option for you. And the final nail color trend for fall 2024 is the color, or it's silver. It's silver. So silver, gold, they're both trending. Silver is gorgeous, it's beautiful. I think it's classy just like gold, and I feel like with silver and gold you then get to pick where you're either a silver lover or a gold lover. I would probably more of a gold lover than a silver lover, but some people, especially if you lean towards a certain metal jewelry, try that out. Silver tips, silver nails. It could even be in a chrome vibe, like a natural chrome silver manicure. That would look really good too. So there's different ways that you can add the silver and gold. I think silver is really pretty. It's a nice neutral, just like gold. And I think this is where it boils down to preference with both trending. Which one do you prefer for yourself most? I would absolutely do gold more, but I would definitely also kind of like, you know, dabble into silver for variation. But it's nice to know that they're both trending. Again, do your nails how you want. This is just like cool to see how the designers were dressing the models on the runways for the fashion shows, and seeing the colors that was consistent across the board with most of them, and silver was definitely one of them. And I think it's great and fabulous. There's nothing outlandish or crazy about it, and it's a color that if you do press-ons or nail art or nail polish or nail design with on your nails, I think it will still look good with your outfit and your clothing, which is what the overall classy look and feel of your elevated outfits tie into, with your nails looking gorgeous, your outfits looking gorgeous, your shoes, your makeup, and the entire thing that brings it together. Your nails definitely play a part, and not just your hands, also your toes. So yeah, that's it. 10 fall 2024 nail color trends. Stick around for another nail video I'll do that I will go into like nail design details with these color nail trends that I think will be gorgeous, great, classy way for us to get our nails done, or to add press-ons or so to our nails in a beautiful and classy way. Now, before I end, I want to go over my outfit that I am wearing. I'm trying to remember to share with you guys what I'm wearing. Today I'm wearing a Zara set. This was featured in my last year fall 2023 Zara haul. It is a beautiful Zara set with like an A-line cut shirt. I absolutely love it. And the back goes down. The back is actually open. You know, I'm still filming this before it's fall, so I'm still cool and hot in LA. It's really gorgeous and beautiful. I have on nipple covers. These nipple covers, you can't see them of course, but you can't see my nipple. I love them. They're from Amazon. I'll link them in the description down below, and I'll add a full look of this set. It's a pants set, so it comes with the pants. It's really light and airy, beautiful, beautiful fall color to style and wear. And this, I'm pretty sure it's not available anymore. It's Zara fast fashion. It's not gonna be available anymore, but I love it with the high kind of like cowl neck details. It's really pretty and beautiful, and I love this set so much. And I'm not wearing any shoes. When I'm filming, I'm not wearing any shoes, guys. I'm not wearing shoes, but this is it. My usual Cartier bracelet, the cuff and the full bracelet. I have a cuff with a diamond and a rhodium metal bracelet from Cartier. My Cartier watch, I love Cartier. This is a Louis Vuitton two-tone ring, and my wedding rings, so 3 rings. My engagement ring and 2-band stack, brilliant love, love, love. Conflict-free diamonds, beautiful diamonds. And my earrings are Alexis Bitar. I think I shared this back in the spring. Really beautiful, gorgeous. If you like the Bottega earrings, but you don't want to spend that much on them, and actually I have seen the Bottega on my girlfriends. This is a much better quality Alexis Bitar. I'm not gonna lie, it's a much better quality. So if you like shopping jewelry, but you don't want to buy like designer brand jewelry, Alexis Bitar is a much better option. And I think Mejuri too, they're better options to spend your money on. Take it from me, I have spent quite a lot of money on designer brand jewelry. It's not top tier. So Alexis Bitar though, absolutely great and gorgeous. And my lip is NARS and Chanel combined, 2 colors, to give it like a nice little fall pop. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know any of the color trends that you think you'll be trying, or any of the color trends that is more your vibe, or something that you always wear year round that speaks to you. Let me know in the comments down below, and stick around for another video coming up, maybe mid-fall. I'll do that video to share some different ways we can style our nails for fall in a classy, gorgeous way using these color trends. So see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.